Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the hashtag stickers on your TikTok videos like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Hashtag stickers are similar to the one you see on Instagram, where users can type in the hashtag directly on the video rather than in the description. To use hashtag stickers on TikTok, open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on the plus sign to post a video. You can record your own video or upload a video from your gallery. In the video editing screen, tap on the sticker option at the bottom. Now select the hashtag sticker. The hashtag sticker will appear on the video. Type in the hashtag which you want to relate this video to. At the bottom, just above your keyboard, you can see the popular hashtag used as per your previous videos. If you type in a letter, it'll give you some suggestions on what hashtags you could use. You can move this hashtag anywhere you like on the screen and resize it as per your choice. You can also set a duration for the hashtag stickers. There is no limit on how many hashtags you use per video. Once you're done, go ahead and post your video to TikTok. And that is how to use hashtag stickers on your TikTok videos. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.